I'm Brittany Harris, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of my EDUC2120 concept map. Let's start with Module 1, Race and Ethnicity. We can begin to differentiate race, ethnicity, and culture, and by creating a welcoming environment that is culturally inclusive, I will incorporate diverse literature to combat stereotypes and prejudice. The second module is Multicultural Education, and we can begin to see how to be racially tolerant. You have to choose to be mindful of the world's diversity and eliminate your own prejudiced thinking. The third module is Culturally Responsive Teaching, and the relationship between these three terms, shown here, concludes that there are specific methods of teaching educators have found useful to incorporate culturally responsive teaching in the classroom itself. In the fourth module, Class and Socioeconomic Status, we can see the effects of these two things on the student and how they learn and perform in the classroom. In the fifth module, which is Gender, we can begin to see that early gender-biased experiences during childhood shape their beliefs and behavior. A relationship highlighted here is gender equality and feminism in America. And we can see that how focusing on women's rights and equality can in turn shape positive role models, not just in the classroom but in everyday life. Module 6 discusses sexuality. Today, sexuality has a large focus in schools as students choose different genders and identities. This is largely due to the fact that an individual's teenage years are when an individual begins to find their identity. The relationship highlighted here is sexuality and education, showing how our perception and behavior towards our students has an impact on their confidence as an individual. This also connects to religion. Not only do schools need to be educated on sexuality and be more accepting of more than one sexual orientation or gender, they also need to understand just how big a role religion plays in students' lives. The last module is religion and how it is important to understand its role in shaping history, the minds and beliefs of students, and the world. And that is it. Thank you.